Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is going to be another tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. So by default, your liked videos will be public. That means every person that visits your profile will be able to easily see all your liked videos. Now in order to make your liked videos private, you'll need to head over to the app of TikTok and head over to your profile section by tapping on this profile icon, and then tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. Now you'll see tons of options under settings. Now under account, you need to tap on privacy, scroll down from here and make sure that the liked videos is set to only me. If yours is set to everyone, this way everyone will be able to see all your liked videos. And after that, if you head back to your profile, you can see that your liked videos will be made private and only you will be able to view this section, not other people visiting your profile. So that was the easy process on how to make your liked videos private. If you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe and share this video with others. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.